Hello friends, today we will discuss MCQs on learning theory. First question is, which of the following is associated with classical conditioning? A. Skinner, B. Pavlov, C. Thorndike, D. Bandura. Answer is B. Pavlov. Classical conditioning was discovered by Ivan Pavlov through experiments on dogs. It involves learning through association. For example, a child salivates at the sight of an ice cream van because they associate the van with ice cream. Question number 2. Who proposed the operant conditioning theory? A. Pavlov, B. Skinner, C. Piaget, D. Kohler. Answer is B. Skinner. B.F. Skinner introduced operant conditioning, focusing on reinforcement and punishment to shape behavior. For example, a student studies hard because they get good grades as a reward. Question number 3. Thorndike's law of effect is related to A. Classical conditioning, B. Operant conditioning, C. Trial and error learning, D. Observational learning. Answer is C. Trial and error learning. Thorndike's law of effect says behaviors followed by positive outcomes are repeated. For example, a cat learns to open a box by pressing a lever after many attempts because it gets fish after opening the lever. Question number 4. Social learning theory was given by A. Skinner, B. Piaget, C. Bandura, D. Brunner. Answer is C. Bandura. Albert Bandura emphasized learning by observing others. That is also called modeling. For example, a child learns aggressive behavior after watching a violent movie. It is proved through Bobo doll experiment. So my one reel is on Bobo doll experiment also. Question number 5. In Pavlov's experiment, the bell sound before food is A. Unconditioned stimulus, B. Conditioned stimulus, C. Response, D. Reinforcer. Answer is B. Conditioned stimulus. The bell, after conditioning, signals food and causes salivation. For example, a phone notification sound makes you to check your phone expecting a message. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a Gestalt principle? A. Continuity, B. Proximity, C. Reinforcement, D. Closure. Answer is C. Reinforcement. Reinforcement is a behaviorist concept. Gestalt principles explain perceptions like closure and proximity. Formula. An example is, we see incomplete shapes as complete figures, like a broken circle still seen as a circle. Question number 7. Cognitive development theory was given by A. Brunner, B. Piaget, C. Vygotsky, D. Dewey. Answer is B. Piaget. Piaget proposed stages of cognitive development from birth to adulthood. For example, a child in the pre-operational stage believes in moon follows them while walking. Question number 8. Which of the following is an example of negative reinforcement? A. Giving a chocolate for homework, B. Removing pain after taking medicine, C. Giving punishment for being late, D. Ignoring misbehavior. Answer is removing pain after taking medicine. Negative reinforcement removes an unpleasant stimulus to increase behavior. Buckling a seat belt stops the car alarm. Encouraging seat belt use is another example. Question number 9. Insight learning was introduced by A. Kohler, B. Tolman, C. Skinner, D. Watson. Answer is A. Kohler. Kohler observed chimpanzees using tools suddenly after thinking, not trial and error. So example is suddenly realizing the answer to a math problem after struggling with it. Question number 10. The concept of zone of proximal development is associated with A. Piaget, B. Vygotsky, C. Bandura, D. Skinner. Answer is B. Vygotsky. Zone of proximal development, which is also known as ZPD, is the difference between what a learner can do alone and with guidance. Example, a child can't solve a puzzle alone, but can do it with a teacher's help. It is called ZPD. Question number 11. Which of the following best defines observational learning? A. Learning by doing. B. Learning by reinforcement. C. Learning by watching others. And D. Learning by trial and error. Answer. C. Learning by watching others. Bandura introduced observational learning through modeling. Example: a child learns to tie shoes by watching their parents. Question number 12. Discovery learning is related to A. Brunner, B. Piaget, C. Skinner, D. Thorndike. Answer is A. Brunner. Discovery learning encourages learners to explore and find knowledge themselves. For example, a science teacher teaches students through showing them the experiments.